You ever been inside of a covered bridge before? Six, so 50 paces. I'm probably a little short of it, so it's got to be over 150 feet. There's one side of it going in. That's the foundation under it, supporting it. It's about 25, close to 30 feet maybe. As we get in now, you can see like it's a light at the end of a tunnel. Imagine what the sound of a horse-drawn buggy would sound like going through it. It's got to be at least 30 feet high in there on this side wall and higher in the middle. So, see when it was built, how long it is. We're about 15 miles south of Thomaston, Georgia, where this is located at, right off of Highway 19, about, I think it's about 1.8 miles off of 19. And I thought I had trouble turning around, but I think I'll be okay. Here's the sign. 120 feet long. Yeah, they were still horse and buggies at that time. Yesterday, today. That's Allen Road. The sign you turn off for the bridge is Allen Road. You're coming north, it's on the right-hand side. About 15, 17 miles south of Thomaston, Georgia. The light at the end of the tunnel. And here's the foundation of it. That's probably, I don't know, 25 feet across maybe.